Liam, show him how you close the pillbox. He looks very serious when he does it too. Very good.
Way to go, babies.
Do some more?
Just Monday and Tuesday? Oh, okay, Wednesday too. No. What about Thursday? And Friday?
Get this one over here.
Over here Sundays.
Good job. Can you open it? Uh-oh. Side the camera. Can you open them back up?
Open them.
Nope, they're supposed to be closed. That way I can't get into them. Yeah. Good job.
Way to go, B.
Oh, that one didn't snap. Good job.
Yeah. Yeah, hard.
Ooh, not a finger strength. Say bye-bye. She give cameras kisses. Mwah. Mwah.